Hello everyone, this is video number 1. It's Gorky's attribution modeling paradigm. We got a really cool topic. Many digital marketing geeks is trying to implement the right model for their business. Today, we will discuss what is conversion, how we're tracking it, and what is the big paradigm behind of it. As you see on the screen, it's our context. So let's get started with the definition of conversion. You probably define a conversion for your own business model already. But let me clarify again for all the fellows are still getting trouble with it. A conversion is an action that is important and valuable for your business strategy. So it might be a sale, might be a download, or a membership. Even it might be an average time on site or something different. The only thing you need to emphasize, conversions can be anything that you can measure it. Today, we will take into consider a sale action as a conversion. Okay, if we got a definition for a conversion, let's move on another topic of the day. How we need to calculate a conversion. Last touch attribution is used by most analytic packages in default. It simply gives full credit to the most recent interaction right before they converted. Let's give an example. A visitor finds your site by clicking AdWords. He visits back a day later by clicking your Facebook ad. And a week later, he opened your email campaign, landed to your website and bought it. And the conversion goes to email, simply because it was the last channel of him before transaction. This tricky nature of calculation can affect your decision on overall performance of a channel, because at the end of the day, you will focus on your cost and revenue relation. ROI target is the important KPI that shows your management success. The budget allocation is also became another issue for you. If you would like to put some costs into our first example, and let's say monthly you spend $200 to AdWords, $150 to Facebook ads, $100 to email. Next period of time, you may would like to increase your budget of email marketing while decreasing spending of AdWords and Facebook ads accordingly, because this path show that you spent $450 and email is the only channel that brings conversion. But be careful to think like that. I got a saying that Google Analytics can be the only platform in our earth that the last enjoy the most. Email marketing gets all credit, simply it poses at last. It might be seen as the most efficient channel as you compare with the rest. Moreover, the rest might be seen as money-burning channels, but it is not true. So, what you need to do? As I said before, last channel attribution is used by most analytics packages in default. However, it might lead to misinterpretation of data. Now, think about a soccer game. If you just focus on scorer and give all your power to match striker position as the best, it basically means that you misinterpret the situation, because team playing is a crucial point for soccer, right? So we need to give some credit to the mid, defender and the goalkeeper, because it is the way how to be a team player. You cannot win the game just because of your scorer. You need to have powerful team players as well. Similarly, if you are using multi-channels in your online marketing campaigns, you should clearly define your strategy accordingly. As the nature of marketing channel, direct, SEO branded, SEM branded are more tend to get credits in last touch. These channels act like striker. So basically, no matter what you do before, if you're not at the last channel in this methodology, you will lose it. I would like to share a video with you. You will see how the players interact each other, or let's say players interact each other right before a goal.
Maxwell. Swept out to Pedro. Alves. Now Jack. A range of options. Goes for the simple one in Messi. Messi outside to Pedro. Pedro cross. Another brilliant Barcelona goal. Several instigators.
Hi again. You might couldn't keep the path length, but it was 8. So there were 7 assists before conversion. This is the paradigm behind of the conversion tracking. Because of your attribution model, a channel can be seen as undercredit or overcredit. I would not like to say, change your attribution model, try this, give some credit that channel, so on forth. I just would like to underline some points that you need to emphasize before decide on which channel works better than the other. Make a portfolio. There is a really simple way of doing this. Make a pie and divide into different channels. Give some weight on these channels. Periodically check your conversion based on first click interaction, view through conversion based, last click model, U-curve method, and try to understand how the channels differ each other according to different models. Importance of assisted conversion. Either give some weight to assisted channels or not. Please make sure that which channels are more tend to provide assisted conversion to you. Before change your budget or start a new campaign, evaluate your assisted conversions, because if you do not emphasize enough or do not analyze deeply to your assisted conversion, you can lose your last conversion as well. Don't forget, assists are the important steps before transaction. Always remember soccer metaphor. To sum up, you know that conversion can be anything. If you can measure it, if you can find useful metric, you can make it as conversion. Conversion tracking is real difficult to understand and analyze. Evaluate different methods before your budget allocation or optimization process. Share these ideas with your team and management. Big paradigm of conversion still stands. Challenging behavior of consumers and the recent technology make our job harder. But if you can analyze the nature of marketing channels and how they interact with each other, soccer metaphor, you will win it. I hope this video helps a lot and give another perception and look at marketing channels. See you on next video.
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up and I can't back down.